Alright, Frymaster Fryer. This particular one was having trouble filtering back to this end fryer here. Now, how this is set up, it drains into this reservoir over to this pan. You want to drain it while it's hot so that the solidified oil doesn't cause any problems. You want to make sure that your O-rings are in good shape on here so that your pump can suck the oil through your pan. Never run unfiltered oil through here. You always need to run it with the filter. When the pump gets oil to it, it pushes it up that line right there to that black iron T. It can go left to that fryer or right to these fryers. So all of them are filtering fine except this end one, which is the most common because the end fryer is going to have the most debris in the line that can cause problems, and also the lowest pressure by the time the oil gets to it. So these ones filter back on that port right there. When you push this lever into this position, it clicks a little switch, brings on the pump pumps the oil then back and automatically through the port that's open, which in this case would be this one here. It was plugged between, you can see the valve there, it was plugged between the valve and the 1/2" T. We took the end fitting out of that T, which is right here. You can just use this ratchet to actually remove that. I thought the blockage would maybe be right there. It wasn't though. It was between valve and the T, so it was right there, and it was a very serious blockage. What we ended up doing, we couldn't push through it with this piece of wire from up above, so we actually heated this piece of wire up till it was bright red, and then burnt a hole through it, and then after that we were able to bust it up. So basically took the torch, heated the end of this up till it was glowing, and then forced it through. Of course the valve has to be open, and now we can actually get it through. And there was a bunch of nasty black gunk in there, but we've got it out now. So yeah, hope that helps you out. Alright, this is going to be kind of messy, but I don't want that junk going back in the fryer. Oh, gross. It overshot it. But yeah, you can see there's some nasty chunks that came out. So, got the switch plugged back in. Let's go ahead and see if it filters now. There we go, oh, look at that. So before we were getting barely a trickle out of there. Nice, that's how you want it to be. Like that, not the other way.